Hi everyone. There's a great news for retail mutual fund investors as SEBI has approved a new category of mutual funds, that is a specialized investment fund or a SIF. So how is it that a SIF is different from a routine mutual fund? See, in case of a routine mutual fund, you only stand to gain from the market when the market is moving upwards. There's no provision for shorting of market by the mutual fund manager, and that is where the game changes in case of a SIF. Say, for example, a fund manager is of the opinion that Maruti Suzuki shares are going to go up and Tata Motor shares are going to go down. So, in this case, even if he is of the opinion that the Tata Motor shares would go down, he would not be able to make any money out of it even if his bet turns out correct. But in case of a SIF, 25% of his portfolio can be allocated towards shorting the market, that is selling off the market. So in this case, he can take a bet on Maruti Suzuki. He can purchase those shares because he thinks that would go up, and he can short the Tata Motor shares in the 25% corpus that he has. So in case both of his bets turn out correct, you as an investor into this category of mutual fund would be gaining from both the upward as well as the downward movement in the market. So in case you wish to invest into a SIF or wish to know more about this product, drop us a message and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.